The Food Service Exchange presents.
It's all about fast and simple meal planning this morning. Check out this pile we got over here. A slow cooker, a pressure cooker, a rice cooker, a saute pan. I even got a yogurt machine. But really, who needs 5 or 6 different appliances? Who's got storage space for all that? That's what's so magical about this Magic Chef Multicooker. It does it all. We've got 9 cooking methods in one. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice, steam, yogurt, sous vide, cake, and you can keep everything warm. And everything you need comes with it too. There's mitts, ladle, a cup, a spoon, extra gasket, a steam rack, a glass lid, plus this quick guide, function cheat sheet, and recipe book. Everything you need to create some magic in your kitchen. Today, I'm starting off with some hearty, wintry fare, and it's an easy recipe for the whole family. This is turkey chili, right? I'm starting off right now with the bean chili button going on, and I am going to start doing some cooking. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my Magic Chef. It's from one Magic Chef to another. And I'm going to add onions. You hear that sizzle? That's how you know cooking's happening right now. Now I've got some peppers, some celery, and a little bit of garlic. This recipe really shows how perfect the Magic Chef Multicooker is for this cold weather, baby. I use the Magic Chef for all my family gatherings. When I'm watching football, anytime I want some delicious food in my kitchen, the Magic Chef is in the kitchen with me. I've got my vegetables going. Now let me add my turkey to the party. And the turkey goes in here. I'm gonna add some oregano, some cumin, a little bit of chili powder, my beans, hence the bean button, some chicken stock, and a dose of diced up tomatoes. I'm gonna stir it around, load it and leave it. The Magic Chef takes care of the rest. Right over here, we have a delicious pot roast and a 4-cheese mac and cheese, all made with the touch of a button. The Magic Chef, again, has 14 electronic presets for easy and practically one-touch cooking convenience. You can make soups and broths, meat and stews, beans and chili, make rice, multi-grain. You can make oatmeal in here, slow cooking. And what if it's your birthday? You want a birthday cake? Boom, it can happen in here. How about you feeling healthy? Why don't you use the steam function? And if you want to put a little bit of color on your food, use the saute sear function, and you can expect your food to be GBD. That's a strict culinary term for golden, brown, and delicious. A true American classic, Magic Chef has been making cooking easier for 90 years. With all this talk about chili, I'm feeling like I'm ready for some. Wow. I tell you what, I could bob for this chili right now. It smells great. I got the turkey and the beans in here. Everything goes over here. Let's bring it over here to my relish station. I've got a little bit of cheddar cheese I'm going to put on top. Some green onion. I like a little bit of sour cream on top of my chili. How about you? You like a little bit of sour cream on top of your chili? Oh, man, look at that. A little bit of fresh cilantro. Are you ready to eat? These sexy and functional babies are hard to live without, and you can get yours at homedepot.com. You can always get more information from our website, thebalancingact.com. I'd like you to remember, this has been a quick bite, but chew slowly. That's some good chili.